Next in Java we are going to see static keyword. So this is our package name, this is our main class. Now static keyword is used in Java with the member variable and member functions. We can use it with both of them, and when we declare any variable and method as static, we don't need to create object of that class to access that variable or method. We can directly use class name. So here I'm creating one class. Name of that class is test2. Right now I'm creating instance variable inside it. So instance variable name is I. This is not static variable, and one method. This is also not a static method. Name of method is show, and within this method I'm printing a simple message system.out.println, and here we are saying hello. As this method and this variable is not a static method, we have to create object of our class test2. Test2, and here the name of object is t equals to new test2. Here we have created object of test2. Now we can say t dot I equals to 5. Now we can print the value of I as t dot system dot out dot println t dot I, and we can call our method like this, t dot show. We run it, it is going to print t dot show hello. It is not printing the value of I because we haven't printed it. Now here if I put static keyword, now this variable is not an instance variable, it's a static variable, or we can say class variable, and to make this method static we have to put static here. So now this method is static method. Now to access this variable and this method, we can do it by using class name. Name of our class is test2 dot I equals to 5. This way I can assign value to I, and we can have to print the value of I. For that, system dot out dot println, and here we'll put test2 dot I. This is going to print the value of I as 5. So in order to call that method, we have to do test2 dot show. This is going to call that method. Save it and run it. So here it has printed the value of I as 5 and message given in this method. Now here I'm creating one more method, and its name is void show1, and here I'm printing out dot println and show1 we are printing. Now here we are not going to put static, so this method is not a static method, this is our instance method, and to call this method we have to create object of our class. And if we call it without creating object like test2 dot show1, it is going to show us error. So it is showing red line, and it is saying cannot make a static reference to the non-static method show1 from the type test2. So to call this method we have to create object of our class. So test2, t is the name of our object, equals to new test2. Now we can use this object name to call that method. So t dot show1, I'm calling that non-static method. Save it and run it. So first it has printed I is a static variable, hello, which is from the static method, and this show1 is non-static method. So to call this non-static method we have to create object, and to call these the static method we can directly use class name.